Are you getting annoyed by the Network Dynamic Data Exchange DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. To kick off the manual repair for Network Dynamic Data Exchange, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Network Dynamic Data Exchange. It provides the legacy communication protocols for inter-process communication over a network. While largely replaced by modern APIs, it is still required by older industrial automation software and legacy office tools. Missing Ndde DLL prevents these programs from sharing data between networked PCs, leading to DDE link failure errors. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Ndde is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Network Dynamic Data Exchange, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't clear the communication block, so we'll manually flush the network plumbing. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type netsh space int space ip space rreset, then hit enter. Second, type netsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, these DLLs act as the plumbing for your internet connection. Resetting the stack clears corrupted cached routes and orchestration manifests that a restart cannot reach. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Be aware that manual fixes for Network Dynamic Data Exchange DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Network Dynamic Data Exchange. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Network Dynamic Data Exchange from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.